Dear students, welcome to you all. Today I am going to discuss second order derivatives. Let y equal to fx. Then dy by dx is equal to f dash x. This is taken as 1. Dear students, f dash x is differentiable. We may differentiate 1 again with respect to x. Then the left hand side becomes dy dx of dy by dx. Meaning of that is, if we differentiate dy by dx again, we can write as dy dx of dy by dx, which is called the second order derivative of y with respect to x, and it is denoted by d2y by dx square. Dear students, the second order derivative of fx is denoted by f double dash x. It is also denoted by d2y or y double dash or y2 if y equal to fx. Dear students, we remark that higher order derivatives may be defined similarly. Now we will discuss about the solution of the questions of exercise 5.7 from NCERT. Question number 14. If y equal to a e to the power mx plus b e to the power nx, so that d2y by dx square minus m plus n dy by dx plus mny equal to 0. To solve this question, here y equal to a e to power mx plus b e to power nx, it is given here. Differentiating this on both sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to d by dx of a e to power mx plus d by dx of b e to power nx. Already you know. And finally we get here dy by dx equal to am e to power mx plus bn e to power nx. This is taken as 1. Dear students, if we again differentiate dy by dx with respect to x, we get d2y by dx square, and this is equal to am d by dx of e to power mx plus bn d by dx of e to power nx, and we solve this here, we get am square e to power mx plus bn square e to power nx. This is taken as 2. Now it is given already in the question, and according to this we solve, we show that this is equal to 0. d2y by dx square minus m plus n dy by dx plus mny. Dear students, d2y by dx square, here we can use the value of d2y by dx square from 2 and dy by dx from 1. We get am square e to power mx plus bn square e to power nx minus mn am e to power mx plus bn e to power nx plus mny y already it is given ae to power mx plus b e to power nx, here already from 1 and 2, and we solve this here. we get this is equal to 0. Hence d2y by dx square minus em plus n dy by dx plus em and y equal to 0. Now we will discuss about the solution of one more questions related to miscellaneous exercise on chapter 5. Question number 15. If x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to c square for some c greater than 0, prove that 1 plus dy by dx square to the whole 3 by 2 by d2y by dx square is a constant independent of a and b. To find the solution, we have x minus a square plus y minus b whole square equal to c square. It is given in the question already. Here we differentiate this with respect to x. We get here 2x minus a, again we differentiate x minus a, we get 1. So this is 2x minus a plus 2y minus b, and if we differentiate y again, so we get dy by dx, and this is equal to 0 because this is constant. So the dy by dx of this is 0. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, we transfer this on right side, we get minus 2x minus a by 2y minus b, and finally we get dy by dx equal to minus x minus a by y minus b. This is taken as 1. Dear students, again differentiating dy by dx with respect to x, we get d2y by dx square equal to y minus b. Here minus already, here y minus b into 1 minus x minus a dy by dx by y minus b whole square, and this is equal to minus y minus b minus x minus a into minus x minus a by y minus b by y minus b whole square. Here using the product rule, using the quotient rule, and according to this, denominator d by dx of numerator minus numerator d by dx of denominator by denominator whole square. So using this rule, we differentiate here. This is equal to minus, here already given minus y minus b minus x minus a into dy by dx. From 1 we can write minus x minus a by y minus b by y minus b whole square, and here solving this we get minus c square by y minus b whole cube. Here already in the question, c square is equal to x minus a square. Here x minus a whole square. Now from the question here, 1 plus dy by dx square whole to power 3 by 2 by d2y by dx square equal to, here putting the value from 1 dy by dx and from 2 d2y by dx square. Here we get this here, and solving this Here we get c cube by y minus b whole cube into y minus b whole cube by minus c square, and again we solve this, we get minus c, which is independent of a and b. Dear students, assignment is given, solve exercise 5.7 and miscellaneous exercise from NCERT, that is remaining questions or homework for you. Thank you.